So computer security relies on confidentiality, integrity, and availability. A more comprehensive description includes authentication, authorization, confidentiality, integrity, availability, accountability, and non-repudiation. Certified Information System Security Professionals classifies information security into 10 domains. First is the access control. Second is the application development security. Next is the business continuity and disaster recovery planning, followed by cryptography. Next is the information security governance and risk management, legal regulations, investigations, and compliance, operation security, physical or the environmental security, security architecture design, and telecommunications and network securities. To understand further, so you need to read the 1.6 of Chapter 1, which explains the details of the enumerated issues or topics mentioned in terms of security. Computer security is to study, to detect, and to prevent threats, and to recover from threats. For detection, applications include intrusion detection system or the IDS, and firewalls on the network or installed in a computer. Detection is like building a dam or levee to prevent flood. It is passive and has a limited protection. For the computer architecture and security, this aims to study how to design a secure computer system that can prevent threats and attacks. In other words, the goal of a secure computer system should be to become immune from attacks. In a human architecture, memory, storage, and I/O are connected directly to the CPU. People consider the connection as a pathway or highway for the data to go through. On the other hand, it functions like a vehicle to carry information between the main components of the computer system known as a bus. A system bus representation of the Neumann model is shown in the figure. So this is just another view of the Neumann model with the introduction of the concept of the DMA or the direct memory access. The DMA enables data exchange directly between memory and I/O that otherwise cannot be done with the initial Neumann model. So since 1990s, computer networks, especially the internet, has been widespread around the world. Computers are no longer only being used to compute as a standalone machine. The feature of information exchange through the network becomes a vital component in today's computers. So unfortunately, John Newman was not able to foresee these changes. So in the figure, a network interface or a network unit is added to the bus of a computer system. The I/O unit only deals with I/O or input-output devices such as the keyboard, the mouse, displays, and so on. The network interface is responsible for communicating with computers and devices over the internet. The separation of network unit from the general I/O devices offers great advantages. The Neumann model is so dominant that no one has ever challenged it since its birth in 1945. However, if we look into the Neumann model from the security's perspective, we can find out that it does have some potential problems. So thank you for listening. If you have questions, feel free to email me at jfvillaverde@gmail.com. Be sure to check your Blackboard for the activity that will be provided to you on this module. Have a great day, everyone.